Everybody gives you advice, yeah, on how to live your life, how to live your life. Don't you know that life is full of surprises? You better realize, better realize. Nobody knows, nobody knows.
So this video is very special for me, guys, because this is my first ever collab video with Dramatic Eyesgloz, and I'll mention her YouTube channel in my description box, so you can check out from there and support her channel as well. She is a very great makeup artist, and she's from USA. I'm from India. So whosoever watching me in her channels, please make sure do subscribe my channel, guys, and support my channel as well, and share this video with all your friends and family, because in this video I'm going to teach you this beautiful smoky eye makeup look. I know smoky eye makeup look is really hard to do, guys, but I'll make your job very easy, because in this video I'll teach you this smoky eye makeup look step by step. And if you like my video, guys, then please like this video and do subscribe my channel. Again and again I'm saying this because I really need your support, guys. That's why. So now let's jump into our video, guys, and let's get started. This one, and I'm gonna use this shade for my eyebrows, this very light brown shade. So I'm just following my natural eyebrows and fill it. To conceal my eyes and to prime my eyes, I'm going to use my Soap and Glory Kick-Ass concealer, this one. So what I'm going to do is just take a little bit concealer on my eye brush and just applying all over my eyes to cancel out my darkness. So first I'm going to use the shade Whiskey from my Urban Decay Naked Smoke palette. This shade I'm going to use, this one, and the shade name is Whiskey. Very nice name. Swiping motion and circular motion, and I am building my shade. To get that intense smoky eye look, I'm going to use my Maybelline gel liner, this Maybelline gel liner, and this is jet black in shade. As you can see, guys, this is really dark, so I'm going to use this kajal on my eyelid and going to blend this kajal really well. As you can see, guys, I am blending this black color really well. After that, I'm going to use this shade, and the name of this shade is Black Market. This jet black color. Enjoyed it, and I hope you love this look. If you like this video, guys, then don't forget to subscribe my channel, share this video with all your friends and family. It means a lot. It means a lot, guys. Seriously, and thank you so much, Ruxar, for supporting me and my channel. And my subscriber and my friends, whosoever is watching my video, please support her channel. You can check out her channel link on my description box. And if you have any question regarding this video, you can comment below on my comment section bar. I'll meet you in the next video, guys. Till then, take care. Bye bye.